This 2020 Winnebago Navion 24 volts, sale pending as a Class C RV. It is located in Winter Garden, Florida 34787 and is offered for sale by Independence RV Sales. This used Winnebago is 25 feet 6 inches in length and features one slide-out, a Harmony Decor interior, sleep 6, air conditioning, TV, water heater, awning, TV antenna, leveling jacks, stove top burner, self-contained, slide-out, refrigerator, and 30 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features bunk over cab, front entertainment, front kitchen, front living area, rear bedroom. This 2020 Winnebago Navion 24 volts, sale pending is built on a Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 3500 chassis and is powered by a Mercedes-Benz engine. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Independence RV Sales, visit RVUSA.com.